Bro, this might have been the longest trade I've ever took, bro. This was I took it at 7:57. It's almost 2 hour long trade, bro. Like, jeez. But finna recap this, finna recap USDJPY, finna backtest with y'all boys. So first, as you can see, my targets are the New York high and the London high. I'm assuming price wants to come down and take out London high again. And the reason that I think this is because we already swept out London low. We basically swept out the major lows in New York. Only these bottom lows haven't been took out. So I assume price wanted to go up in a bullish manner. As you could see, we come up. We fill in this 1 hour bearish for value gap. We fill back in this 5-minute bullish for value gap. We sweep out tons of liquidity, including here. This liquidity gets swept out. This liquidity gets swept out. And then we invalidate this 1 hour bearish for value gap. We come up in and that's when I entered. So I entered and we hit one of our price points, but I didn't take any profits there. Then we came and hit this New York high. I took profits there, and then we were just in. I set my stop loss to break even so that I lost no money on the day. And boom, we just got stopped out of break even. It's really it for the trade. I assume price to come maybe fill in this 1 hour bearish fair value up again and get this London high. But I'm gonna go to bed soon, so I'm not gonna try to catch the move. GBP/JPY. Now, I haven't really looked at this in a minute because the reason is I wanted price to invalidate this 1 hour bearish value gap, or else it would be a huge zone. Because anywhere, literally here, anywhere in the zone, it could have had a bearish reaction out of it and came out. But honestly, like if I was to take a trade, I guess it invalidated right here. Comes back down and fills this bullish for value gap, comes out with a bullish candle. Would have put it here, stops here, or stops here. Probably, no, that's crazy. I would not have done that. I would have done it like this. And did even one take profit get hit? One take profit got hit. So, honestly, this was the only trade I would have taken on that. But, that's really it for that. I'm going to backtest ES and NQ with y'all boys now. So, as we could see, today we had retail sales at 7:30 and Powell speaking at 12:30. So, I would not have traded past 12:30. As we see, 8:30 is when market opens. We got Asia open right here. And we got London open right here. So, honestly, this is our London open right here. Let me put on magnet mode for y'all. It's our London open. This is our London low. Here's our New York low, which actually got swept and made a react. Oh my god, I'm dumb. Didn't get swept. No reaction out of it either. But our Asia high got took out. No reaction out of that. So Asia high took out. No reaction. Our London high, and then our New York and our London low. I mean, fucking hell. Our London and our Asian low, right? So, as you can see, this price opened up. It's right here. And London low-key, like, it's the same thing as today, right? As you can see, as the market opened on the 1 minute time frame, a lot of the New York lows were taken out. Just not like the major, I mean not the major one, just not the lowest lows, but most of the lows were taken out, and that's pretty similar to something that we see here. Most of the highs were taken out, except this. So I would have had a bearish. Actually, no, I would have. I'm trying to think what I had, because it's hard to say like your bias after seeing like the candles already play out, so you're kind of thinking, yeah, I would have caught that, when you really don't know if you're going to catch that. But bearish bias, because market opens here, our Asia high was took out with no reaction. Since there's no reaction, it means that we're not looking to go down. It means that we're looking to go up. So, I would have had a bullish reaction on the day, not bearish. So, bullish wise, this would have been a 1 hour high. 1 hour high. 15-minute highs, nothing really. Just this big one. even take out the London high, so it's kind of disappointing. But bias is our bias, I guess. So obviously we come out, take out liquidity right here. Wait, we didn't take out that liquidity. But we take out this liquidity right here. We end up getting a sweep. So I guess 9 o'clock I'm already looking to take a trade. I mean looking in the 1 minute. Take a trade. For value gap wise, I guess this invalidation right here would have been the one. So put it right here. Stops a little below this low. First take okay, honestly I'm putting it to here. Actually nah, to be honest. This is our Asia high right here. This is our 1 hour high. This is our 15-minute high. That's the trade I took. 2 take profits hit. I would have probably put a take profit here as well. And a take profit here. And is this 1-to-1? Oh yeah, I would have put a take profit here as well. So a lot of take profits, 4 take profits, 3 to 1.6. Every take profit hit except 1. And that's the trade I would have taken on ES and Q now. Let me go to the 15-minute. But again, this is all like, the one thing about backtesting is you don't know if this is what you were actually thinking. You just have a little bit of bias because you already see the data and you think that you're like a great trader when you don't even know if you would have, if I would have caught that long. Maybe I would have been too scared to play it, or maybe I had a bearish bias, but it's just the way that I see it. So here's our London high, and it's the same case scenario right here. As you can see, Asia high took out, swept with reaction. Because you can see it's really just, it's one candle up, one candle down. So there was a reaction off of sweeping the Asia high. And as you can see, it continued a bearish trend. But that's the thing though, because ES swept with the reaction. So I guess I would have been looking to go down on Nasdaq, up on ES, but that doesn't really work either. So I'm gonna try to look for like a good SMT. 1015, 330, 330, 1015, 245, 845. 245, 245, 845. $645 to 1015. 5 to 1015. Nah, I can't really see one, but I guess since I got a reaction here, I guess I'm looking to go down. So, yeah, I guess I'm looking to go down. I don't know. But as you can see, we have a 1 hour low right here. $15-minute wise, we don't really see any like crazy lows before market. I guess that 15-minute low, and then 5-minute wise, we're just really looking for liquidity sweep before we can enter the 1 minute time frame. And as you can see, we end up taking out this 5-minute high at 1025. I wouldn't even be on the charts of this, but I'm just backtesting it for y'all. 1030, we come down. Oh, we fill in this 1 minute for value gap. Boom, reactions out. I'll take that. Shorts right here above. And then we got a 15-minute low right here, 1 hour low right here. Jesus Christ, 1 to 2.72. Maybe put like a take profit here. And yeah, that's really it for today. Tomorrow I'm not gonna be trading, but I'll do a back test of the market around like 3 to 4 p.m. Same with Friday, both days. I mean, Friday morning I'm not gonna be home, and Thursday night I have something to do, so I'm not gonna be home either. So both those days I'll just post back test for y'all. Appreciate y'all. Have a great day. Stay blessed throughout this week. Ending this trading week on a win. I'm blessed. Appreciate y'all.